Hi guys, it's me Yara, and the reason why I'm not showing my face in this video is because I'm doing a slime review from daijah's slime. So yeah, so this is the slime that I got from her, and so yeah, this is the slime. And like I will be doing ASMR video, like a ASMR. And so I'll probably do a video, a slime pet peeve video, and then tomorrow. Like you guys have to hear this poking sound. Like, do you guys hear that poking noise? That's like 10 times better. Like 10 times better than I don't know. So like this video might be uploaded tomorrow. So like it's Friday right now. It's Friday today at 4:34. In America. Guys, I think this is like butter slime, so I'm gonna try to spread it. Guys, happy Friday the 13th. It does spread like butter. From like 10 out of 10, from 1 to 10, I'll rate this like a 10. Because, first of all, it has really good, good poking noises. And it has really good, like bubble noises. Like, this is a really good slime. And like, so she put it like these beads in it. And guys, follow me on Musically at Gymnast Girl Yara. Follow me on Snapchat, that's Christian Girl. And guys, sorry I haven't been posting in a while. It's because I've been like really busy, just like editing videos and just like doing homework. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be ending this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please subscribe, like and share, and follow me on Musically at Gymnast Girl Yara, and follow me on Snapchat at Squishy Girl. So I hope you guys enjoyed this slime video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.